Imagine me in Honolulu in a moo-moo. How do I look in it, Tweety?
Dwanny, you look positively... Swing it, Dwanny.
Oh, I feel so yakahula-hickey-doola. Now, Tweety, I've been invited to a big luau today, so you be a good little birdie while Mother is gone. Oh, I forgot to feed Sharky. Here, Sharky! Here, boy, here, boy!
Bye-bye, Dwanny.
Bye-bye, honey.
Her name was Hoo-a-Woo. Time to tell who never thought be true. She did her dancing in the evening breeze. Meet the tweez. She got more sweeties than a dog has fleas. I never knew a man who wouldn't shoot a Dan McGrew and sail across the whiny blue to woo. The lady known as Hoo-a-Woo.
Suffering succotash. If I don't scratch up something to eat soon, I'll starve.
Who wouldn't shoot a Dan McGrew and sail across the whiny blue to woo. The lady known as
Oh boy!
Hoo-a-Woo.
Succulent squab for supper.
I thought I saw a pretty cat. I did draw a bad old pretty cat. Don't get him, Sharky. Sick him, sick him.